Let's learn about animal names with spelling. Lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Leopard, L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. Koala, K-O-A-L-A, koala. Crocodile, C-R-O-C-O-D-I-L-E, crocodile. Squirrel, S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L, squirrel. Fox, F-O-X, fox. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Do like and share. Subscribe the channel Lil Kids Media for more videos. Thanks for watching.